My package finally came. So my camera, my original camera that I'm filming on now, is going through it. But I had it for so long and I got my money's worth. I will say that I got my money's worth. But now the screen is about to fall off. There's only one nail left. I tried to, well, I did twice on Amazon. I just googled the nail size and everything. When it came, 2 different companies, they both did not fit. Ooh, my better. They both did not fit. And I think Canon did that on purpose. I'm saying that because it's like I bought 2 pairs of different companies that said that it's for this specific camera. Neither one fit. Now it's literally hanging it's hanging by only one nail. And also I just came back from vacation, right? So I was editing my vlogs. Come to find out, there's a static from this camera. And yes, so yeah. Mind you, I had this camera for so long. I love it. I'm still gonna keep it for, it's gonna be like a backup camera. I had it for so long. It costs so much money for this camera. And the thing is, when I bought this camera, I'm like, you know what, this is an investment. I'm going to keep this. This is going to get me to 100,000 followers. I just, you know me, I'm so delusional. I'm still at 3,000 followers since I bought this camera. I bought this camera over 5 years ago. And mind you, I've been dropping it. It's just a lot. So, that being said, that's a long intro to let you guys know, or let whoever watching know, that I bought a new camera because this is on this last leg. Now, this is still from Canon, but it's not as expensive as the camera that I have now. Since I did not reach my goal, I was like, I am not going to spend over $2,000 for a camera again unless this hobby changed into something more profitable. Because like I said, this is an expensive hobby. So, that being said, I bought a cheaper version of the camera that I have. It's the same company, but it's a couple $100 cheaper than my original. Now these cameras are so expensive. Okay. These cameras are very expensive, but I don't like telling people the prices. So this is the newest camera to my collection. Now I got this camera, hold up. So I got this camera from, where did I get it from? Best Buy. So I got this from Best Buy. I could not pick this up in the store. I had to get it shipped here. So yeah, that should let you know that this camera is not as popular. Because this is not available. It wasn't available for me to just order pickup or anything. So this is how it looks. Alright. And I'll have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it shoots in 4K. I usually don't shoot in 4K because it takes so much memory. Limited. Okay, so it's a year warranty. Okay. So it's a year warranty. They just have to fill this out, right? For a period of 1 year, the original date of purchase, product, blah 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 blah. To obtain, simply call. You're required to deliver the product. Okay. So I'm gonna keep these because, yeah, it comes with it. And that's another thing. I have so much equipment that came with this, like for this camera. Battery, I need to charge it. I'm sorry. Oh, I lost my whole train of thought. So I have a vacation coming. I have a vacation coming soon too. So it's like, yeah, I need to. So I'm like, this is gonna be perfect. I can just vlog freely. You know what I mean? Like when I was in St. Martin, apparently everyone was saying I've been saying it wrong. Okay, this is like the same. Okay, this is like the same charger for this one. Perfect. Hopefully it can fit the same battery. If it does, we are good. Okay, I have a lot of batteries. So here's, okay, I'm so dramatic. That's how it comes. So this is the newest camera. The screen looks bigger on here. How it looks. It does not have any. So when you open this one, it lifts up. I'll insert some pictures on how it looks, but this has a different how it lifts up. It does not come on a SIM card. Great. Hopefully, I know I have an extra SIM card laying around, so no SIM card or anything. So this is how the camera looks. It looks bigger. I don't know. I just need to start filming on here so I can know how, see how everything works. Let's see if the battery charged. But like I said, this is a nice price. And Canon, I'm a Canon girl 100%. Canon is always my go-to. I don't remember if, oh, it is charged a little bit. I don't remember if that camera had, what's these things? It looks clear to me. I hate that the screen is not touchscreen, but I guess that can help me in the long run. Hold up. So yeah, so that is it. I just want to do a quick unboxing on my new affordable camera. I say affordable because, like I said, these are very expensive. These Canons are very expensive. I see, oh, HDMI too, so that means I can add a, yeah, so it has an HDMI too. That means I can add a sound if I want it. But yeah, this is it. Very affordable. And mind you, you only can order this online, because this is the cheaper version of the camera that I have.